Hello, my name is Stephen Hobbs and I'm the Managing Director of Rittal UK and Ireland. Rittal are a German-owned business employing 11,000 people worldwide. At CSM, we manufacture the large industrial switchgear cabinets and the rack infrastructure systems for data centers where critical business systems, internet search engines, gaming and social media all run on products housed in racks that are designed and built at CSM here in Plymouth.
My name is Indro. I joined CSM 9 years ago as a planning engineer. Recently I was promoted as a senior design engineer. The advantages of having the design team on site means the design, manufacturing and testing can be done under one roof here in Plymouth.
We pride ourselves on the number of long-serving employees, with many having more than 30 years service.
My name is Ryan Platten-Higgins and I am a team spokesperson.
My name's Sean, I'm an apprentice.
My name's Michaela, I'm a quality engineer.
Hi, I'm Daniel, I'm an apprentice.
The best thing about working at Rittal is that you meet loads of different people and everyone's from a different background.
I started off kind of at the bottom really when I first started here, and I've been given the opportunity to train in various different products, and then I'm slowly rising up now into supervisory.
In the UK, we employ around 500 people. Our headquarters is at Canary Wharf in London and our sales operation is in Rotherham. In Plymouth, we have our factory Rittal CSM, where we employ just over 350 people.
We do have a good laugh in the office. Everyone is cheerful and quite happy to help.
Working here has been able to make me more independent. I've had a secure income.
I went to the company open day in September and it was nice to bring my family. We did the factory tour and I took my girlfriend around and shown her exactly where I work.
I quite like all the camaraderie, the joking around, but at the same time there's the seriousness and professionalism throughout the company.
I'm training here to be a supersetter, which is a 3.5-year course. I see myself completing the course and trying to work further up the company and hopefully getting a degree.
We see our success grounded in strong employee engagement, engineering excellence and relentless customer focus.